Alright guys, welcome to the video. I'm Skaze, and in this video I want to share with you guys one of my most awesome 3D prints that I got a chance to work on, and that is the life-size 3D print of the Nimbus 2001 Draco Malfoy Broom. Now this is one of my most favorite life-size 3D prints that I got a chance to work on, and yeah, I mean this thing is awesome. Now, when I 3D printed this, it was back when Hogwarts Legacy, the video game, came out. And I mean, I just had to play it. I also do gaming on my free time. But while I was playing Hogwarts Legacy, I just had this click in my mind that I was like, you know what? I want to 3D print something that's life size and something that I could add to my 3D print collection. Something that's an awesome display piece, something big. I wanted to go big, especially for something for Harry Potter. I wanted something that was very eye-catching, and I came up with 3D printing the Nimbus 2001. I mean, this thing is insane. Now, this 3D print took me a good few weeks, and that is just with 3D printing. Now, with the assembly process, it took me, I would say, maybe a week to get everything together, then probably another week as well with sanding all the seams, getting everything nice and smooth. But the whole process was a lot of fun. I managed to learn a lot more stuff with 3D printing, especially with assembly wise. Now, the tricky part was on the bottom here. So as you guys can see, there was a lot of assembly, and I did a lot of welding on here. So I did a lot of plastic welding, but what made the process a little bit more easier was this stuff. This stuff is what I like to use when I'm assembling my 3D prints. It works really fast. You can get everything stuck together in just seconds. And yeah, I highly recommend this stuff, guys. If you guys are putting together your 3D prints, this stuff is awesome. But yeah, that's pretty much what I used in putting together my life-size Nimbus 2001. And on top of that, after I used this stuff, I then just used my soldering iron and plastic welding everything together to make it more stronger. And you guys can see, but yeah, I still need to primer this. I still need to work on the paint, but I mean, for the most part, everything is pretty much all set to go. And another thing that I love about this is it's fully functional. So the bottom here, as you guys can see, it wobbles back and forth. So this would be an awesome cosplay prop as well, if you guys like doing cosplay. If you guys just want it to where you can display it, you know, again, it sits like this as well. So, I mean, this thing is awesome. I mean, it's huge. Again, it's a life-size 3D print, and never in my wildest dreams I ever imagined I would ever own a actual Nimbus 2001 that I actually got a chance to work on. And this thing is just crazy. So here's the very top of the handle. Again, it says Nimbus 2001, and I mean, the quality on this thing is just crazy. I mean, look at this. It's crazy. So as you guys can see, you guys can see the seams on like what part I 3D printed on its own. So I 3D printed this in separate pieces. So this part, this part, this part, this part, this part. And on this side of the model, you guys can also see the bottom here where it separates. So this part I 3D printed separately, this part, and this part. And this part was its very own as well. And on the bottom here, this is where a lot of the stuff was like really going on. So very tricky on the print bed, but yeah, it wasn't bad as well. But you guys can see all these I 3D printed in separate parts, along with the paddles as well. And on the paddles, I got screws screwed into here. So that's how this thing manages to turn like so. Very, very cool. But yeah, so the next part of the process is pretty much primer. I'm going to hit this thing with primer, then smooth out more of the seams and fill in more of, if there's any gaps or anything like that, I'll fill those in with putty. But I mean, for the most part, I've been very, very happy with the results. And yeah, I mean, this thing is awesome. Every time I look at it, I mean, it just reminds me why I got into 3D printing in the first place and why I continue to stay in 3D printing. Because, I mean, you can just bring your imagination to life, and you can also build up your creativity, and just being able to bring things to life and actually hold them in your hands. I mean, I would have never imagined, like before when I was watching Harry Potter, that I would ever imagine getting to hold and feel what it feels like to hold an actual replica of a Nimbus 2001 from the Harry Potter franchise. And because of 3D printing, I'm able to explore that, experience that, and it's just an amazing feeling. So, I mean, if you guys are thinking of getting into 3D printing, I mean, I am one of them proofs that 3D printing can make, you know, some of your dreams come true. Like owning a Nimbus 2001. I would never imagined I would be able to create, put together my very own Nimbus 2001 and share it with you guys. So I want this video to be inspiration. I mean, other than doing tips and trick videos for 3D printing, I also like making inspirational videos as well to those who are thinking of getting into 3D printing. I mean, these are the possibilities that you guys can get to. And I mean, if you guys are new to 3D printing, there is no issues at all. I mean, at a certain time, I had no idea what 3D printing was. And I also had no clue on how to operate a 3D printer. And like now, I own multiple 3D printers. And I got to a point where I wanted more 3D printers because 3D printing is just so much fun. It also unleashes your creativity, your imagination. And it's also a great hobby as well. Like you can build this, the Nimbus 2001. And you can also keep it for your own, or you can also 3D print stuff and, you know, give it to your loved ones, family, you know, share your creativity, share the stuff that you build. And 3D printing is not just awesome because you get to build stuff and put things together and make things come to life, but you're also investing in yourself as well. You're learning a skill, you're learning a new hobby. And I've been 3D printing since 2017, and I'm still into 3D printing because 3D printing is just awesome and I love it. And I'm sure if you guys take the leap, take the chance, I'm sure you guys will love it as well. And for you Harry Potter fans, if you guys want to own your very own Nimbus 2001 someday, you guys will be able to create your own and be very proud of it as well. But yeah, I hope this video inspired you guys who are getting into 3D printing, or if you guys are already into 3D printing and you guys are kind of losing inspiration, don't worry, I've been down that road as well, which is another reason why I'm making this video, because I also want to re-inspire you guys to don't give up. You know, if you guys love something, don't give up on it, keep at it. But yeah, I hope this video helps you guys out, getting inspired. If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more videos like this. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.